Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on this CRF450. It has the counter shaft started leaking. Started noticing a bunch of oil out from behind the sprocket, so went ahead and bought the stuff for it. It's actually 3 pieces. Is like $14, so $7 shipping, and yeah, it actually came here in 2 days, so we're gonna get this on. I've never done this before, so it's not gonna be a tutorial, but we'll see how easy or how hard it is, and we'll go from there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take this chain off, and we're just going to take the master link off. I'm not going to mess with the wheel and stuff. And I'll show you guys a really easy way to take this off. What you can do is put it in gear, put a screwdriver right there, hammer, and there you go. Just like that. I see a lot of guys, struggle with that part, and it's pretty simple. I'll show you guys the easy way to put it back on, but it's just with a pair of needle nose pliers. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. Most of you probably have a plastic little guard. Same deal, it's just 2 bolts, but I have this case saver because I'm good at breaking cases. And I'll put that in gear so we can break this loose. Sometimes you might have to kind of shock it so that engine don't turn over like it's trying to do. There it goes. Maybe. Yeah, there she goes. Messed the light up. Alright. Now, that's off. Alright, and there's our prize. You can see how wet it is around it. This first little collar should kind of slide out. There it is. So there's one piece. Now the second seal, I believe I can get a pick in there and try to pick it out. Let me get a pick. Alright, so the lighting kind of sucks, but let's see if we can pick it out. You don't want to scratch the actual race, then you could have problems. Alright, and there she is. Let's make sure that one's all cleaned. Around it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this seal in first. It should just go in pretty easy. Maybe. So I just got an extension. There she is. I'm sure everything spins. Alright, now we'll do the opposite. Alright, now I'll show you guys the easy way to put these back on. Always put it on the sprocket. Don't try to fight with it up in the air. It never works. Take your master link, slide it through the back. Sit it in there. Set it just like that. And take your needle on those pliers, come from the back, and go to the second one and push. It pops right in. So now it's all good. Alright, so that job's finished. It only took me about 30 minutes, and you know, I've never changed one before. So it's not bad if you guys get a leaky CounterShaft seal. Don't worry about it. It's, you know, $14 later, in about 30 minutes you're ready to go again. But yeah, this wasn't really a how-to, but just how I did it, not having done it before. So if you learn anything, let me know, because I learned it. So yeah, if you guys liked it, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.